Mushroom Swiss burger recipe. Here is a list of ingredients you will need for a mushroom Swiss burger recipe. 1 pound ground beef, 4 burger buns, 4 slices Swiss cheese, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, mustard. Instructions. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. 1. Mix well and form 4 equal-sized patties. 2. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add the olive oil and sauté the garlic until fragrant, about 30 seconds. 2. Add the sliced mushrooms and continue to cook until they are tender and browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. 2. Remove from heat and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, cook the burger patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until cooked to your desired level of doneness. 4. When the burgers are almost done cooking, top each patty with a slice of Swiss cheese and allow it to melt over the burger. 5. Assemble the burgers by placing the cooked patty with melted cheese on the bottom bun. 5. Top with a generous amount of the sautéed mushrooms and any other desired toppings. 5. Finish with the top bun and serve immediately. 5. Enjoy your mushroom Swiss burger. Preparing and grilling your mushroom Swiss burgers. Here are the steps to prepare and grill your mushroom Swiss burgers. 1. Clean and slice the mushrooms. Start by cleaning the mushrooms and slicing them into thin pieces. 1. You can use a damp paper towel or a soft bristled brush to clean them. 1. Make sure to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Sauté the mushrooms. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. 2. Once hot, add the sliced mushrooms and sauté them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender and browned. 2. Add minced garlic and season with salt and pepper for extra flavor. 2. Once done, remove the skillet from the heat and set it aside. 3. Prepare the burger patties. Take the ground beef and combine it with Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper in a large mixing bowl. 3. Mix well and form it into 4 equal-sized patties. 4. Preheat the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 4. Brush the grates with some oil to prevent sticking. 5. Grill the burger patties. Once the grill is hot, place the burger patties on the grates and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on your desired level of doneness. 5. Make sure to flip them only once to avoid losing their juices. 6. Add Swiss cheese and mushroom toppings. When the burgers are almost done cooking, add a slice of Swiss cheese on top of each patty and let it melt. 7. Toast the buns. While the patties are grilling, toast the buns on the grill for 1 to 2 minutes until lightly browned. 8. Assemble the burgers. Once everything is ready, assemble the burgers by placing the patty with melted cheese and mushrooms on the bottom bun. 8. Add any desired toppings such as lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, or mustard. 8. Finish with the top bun, and your mushroom Swiss burgers are ready to serve.